Welcome to your first PC build. Let's start by unboxing all the parts you'll need. First, we'll install the CPU, make sure the notches align with the socket before pressing it down. Next, insert the RAM sticks into the DIMM slots. Press down firmly until you hear a click. Now mount the motherboard into the case. Align the screw holes and secure it with the provided screws. Connect the 24-pin motherboard cable and 8-pin CPU cable from the power supply. Install your SSD into the drive bay and connect the SATA data and power cables. Finally, install the GPU into the PCIe slot. Press down firmly until it clicks, then secure it with a screw. You did it! Your PC is built and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe to Empty Rank for more tech tutorials.